Hi and welcome to Chef's Review Q&A. Choosing the right grill for your restaurant, your venue, your bistro, food truck, whatever, might be a little bit hard, and I found a lot of questions to this particular grill from Royal Catering, and I'm going to try to answer them. So let me just get a few details first, some technical data. So this grill actually works with 400 volt. It is very powerful, so it is 2 times 4 kilowatts of power. So it's very, very efficient. It's a beast of a machine, really. So what it has individual steering for each side, so you can turn it off. The controls work double as a on and off switch, and you can regulate it between 50 up to 300 degrees. So this is how hot the surface can get. You have 3 indicator lights for heating, the power indicator and the reset indicator. So what that gives you, it gives you certain information that the heating element is working. That's where the orange light lights up. As soon as you plug it in or actually install it, because as I said, it has a 400 volt outlet, so you can install it directly into your installation, or you mount plugs for 3-phase 400 volts outlet. And then you have a reset indicator. So the reset indicator indicates that the device has been turned on because it was overheating. So in order to prevent permanent damage, it just turned the heating element off. All right, but let's get to the questions. So first question from Monica is, if you put 8 pieces of 3 up to 500 grams of meat on the grill, is it going to lower the temperature of the heating surface? Well, Monica, it definitely will drop the temperature by a couple of degrees. If the temperature drops below a certain point, the thermostat will turn the heating element back on, so it will keep the temperature as even as possible. The heating surface is made of a high carbon stainless steel alloy, so it actually combines the features of both cast iron and stainless steel, so it is great at accumulating heat. So once you get it up to temperature, it will hold the temperature really well. The few steaks will not make a huge difference, so you still get a very uniform grilling result. It says, another question, the grill is made of stainless steel. What is the material of the cast iron plate? So basically, as I said, it's a stainless steel construction, but the heating plate is made of high carbon stainless steel alloy. As I said, it combines features of both. So as I said, it is great at keeping temperature. It heats up really well as well. Also, it is quite resistant to any type of damage, whether it's scratching or for scrubbing. It will keep the surface nice and porous free. However, because it has high carbon content, it is prone to corrosion, so you have to maintain it, and once in a while you have to rub it with some extra fat or grease, the same oil you're using for grilling, basically. All right. Last question, the customer is a private individual with a 220 volt installation. Is this plancha suitable for its electrical installation? Well, it's not suited for 220 volts. It is designed for 400 volts. So you need to have that outlet. You need to get an electrician in, as I said, to either install it straight into your installation or install a plug and a socket as you would normally with electrical equipment. But that requires a specialist. All right, these were the questions. I hope I answered everything in full. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.